Hi there, it's Pam from Floating Fitness UK and Fit Mums and Bumps. I'm just going to show you a few stretches you can do on a seated in a seated position for sciatic pain. So first one, we are going to do hamstrings. So if you're sitting towards the edge of your chair, turn around this way so it's a bit easier, towards the edge of your chair so that your sit bones are down and your back's nice and long. Taking one leg out nice and straight, and you want to have your heel on the floor and your toes pointing up towards the ceiling. Take your hands over onto the bent leg, keeping your back as straight as you can and tip forwards. So you'll feel the stretch coming into the hamstrings and into your calf muscle down there. Try not to come forward from the waist. You're thinking of your hip bones here, pushing your bum behind and coming forwards in that position there. And you just breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth, and you do about 5 or 6 breaths. And then you come back in and you can swap over to the other side. Now you can try with the toes down and come forwards and see if that helps a little better. Sometimes when you bring your toes off the floor, you feel it in your calf muscle a little bit too much. So doing it with your toes down on the floor is also fine. Okay, your next one we are going to do is you're going to take one leg and cross over. Now you want to make sure that foot's hanging over the edge so the foot's not sitting there. Have it over so the ankle's not in a kind of uncomfortable position. And you can either just sit and press the knee down towards the floor, like that, or you can lean forwards. And that should give you a stretch into that bent leg, into your glute muscles on the bent leg. Okay, so you could either sit and press down to open out the hip joint, or you can come forwards. Again, hold for about 5 or 6 breaths. I'll do it side on so you can see. Bring that leg over, make sure it hangs over the edge. Again, I'm towards the end of my seat and I'm sitting up nice and tall, pressing the knee down, and you really feel that through the glute muscles that you're sitting on here, and you can tip forwards if that feels comfortable enough to do so. And again, you're going for 5, 6 breaths for that one too. Next one, you again sitting towards the end of your chair, bring one leg and cross it over, and you're going to hold with this arm here. You can sit with your feet crossed, but you do get a little bit of a better stretch if you're holding it up. So use that hand to lift. Use this hand just sitting behind you, and then you just twist round to the side, making sure your spine is long as you do this, so you're not kind of turning here. Sit up as tall as you can first, and then use this hand to pull you round. Try and relax through the shoulders, so you're not scrunched up here. Relax them down to increase the stretch. Okay, and then you swap to the other side. I'll do this one side on for you. So again, towards the end of the chair, on your sit bones, cross over and hold. Use this hand just behind your bum, fingertips down, lengthen that arm so that it helps lengthen the spine, and then you twist round to the side. And you're just breathing throughout. And then you're coming back round, okay? So there you have, you've got 3 moves there that can help alleviate some pain through sciatica. Sciatica, you can feel some pain through the back into your bum and down the leg. So if that's something that you do suffer from, incorporating these stretches, they only take a few minutes per day. If you can do them as often as possible, at least daily, and 2 to 3, maybe even 4 times through the day, especially if you're feeling that you've got a little bit of a flare-up. If you do have a flare-up, just make sure that you're easing into the position. So for example, you're sitting up tall, taking a breath in, take a breath out, just turn a little bit, hold it there, taking a breath in, take a breath out, turn another little bit, so that you're not going into your full range straight away. So just go a little bit first, and then on your second breath a little bit more, third breath a little bit more, so you're gradually increasing that stretch. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please give it a little love, give it a share, tag one of your friends or family members if you think this might be helpful for them, and thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.